not gonna lie. I think this is gonna go a lot smoother today because I kind of pseudo know what I'm doing.
Jeremiah, what is that magical setting in Cura that prevents? Was it in Cura or is it on the printer that prevents the auto bed leveling? It's on the printer, isn't it?
Yeah. But those might be hard coded in. So then that one might just always do it because Jeff might have like
Yeah, just hard one. Yeah.
yeah.
One day of botany training is really paying off for the second day.
What? The phlebotomy. I thought you said lobotomy, and I was like,
We could do those the next day.
the lobotomy thing.
Lobotomy.
Well, I mean, look at this. This is already going significantly faster than yesterday.
Yesterday, Jeremiah put it in the first time.
So basically, when you pull it, it pressurizes it, and I didn't realize that. So I pulled out the needle. No, but when I pulled out the needle then unpressurized and evacuated everything that way, and it just shot out. Yeah, we're like,
And these are just trash.
Yeah.
just set up, yeah.
Yeah.
Something's happening in the damaging of them.
Yeah, it all has to do with pressure.
Who knows, they might put something, if you take off the top, it might like disable the electronics.
Well, I'm wondering if it's, which not all of them come with, but this is the top. You see where the sticker was peeled back, but you can get a needle in there. I'm wondering if an actual piece of sticker also helps to pressurize with that smoke.
No, we've already done all the experimenting. It's a mechanical issue. So it's not electronics or anything, Phil. It's something mechanically we're doing, and we're just too stupid to understand like the pressure mechanics of this. Because I can almost guarantee this thing probably was like 7 months to develop. You know, like whoever developed the first ink cartridge probably spent a lot of time like figuring all this stuff out. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if today we're gonna get as much ink out. It seems. What I mean, like I'm not at 10. Yesterday I was at 10. So. Oh, there we go. Hit an ink mother load.
Beverly Hillbillies.
Do you know what those are called? Those are called strip oil mining, and those account for 80%, or it's 90% of the wells used in the U.S. are that somebody just dug a hole and shot out oil, like in there will be blood. They also account for 83% of the methane produced in the oil and gas company because they no longer are productive, and they're just spewing crap out. Yeah. I listened to a really good report on it on NPR yesterday on the way in, and I was like, oh, shit.
All the oil reservoirs, they have natural gas sitting on top.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I'm probably going to go to that dude's website and post this. And just be like, hey, anybody that's like doing this is what we found. Okay, I think that's good enough.
We should make this opening bigger. If this is the size of the bed we're using.
Uh, it's not. This is just for test purposes.
Yeah, well,
Do you know what I mean? Like this
I
is
mean,
all
we're making
test.
2 more of these, right?
Yeah.
Let's just make this bigger, this hole bigger.
Yeah, just request Ben to do it real quick. So Ben and Maxie just slack them real quick. I'm gonna underfill this one. So I'm gonna underfill this. Where yesterday I overfilled it. So there you go. So you should be good there.